What if one day humans bond with machines, even marriage?
Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant idea from science fiction, but a real technology that is quietly shaping the modern world around us. Today, intelligent machines and software systems work alongside humans, helping us think faster, act smarter, and solve complex problems more efficiently. Behind the scenes, powerful AI networks constantly analyze information, learn from data, and improve their understanding of how the world works. From the smartphones in our hands to the systems that manage traffic in large cities, artificial intelligence is becoming deeply embedded in everyday life. These intelligent systems process massive amounts of data every second, allowing them to make decisions that once required human judgment and experience. As technology continues to advance, AI is beginning to connect the physical and digital worlds in ways never seen before. The idea of artificial intelligence began many decades ago, when early scientists first asked whether machines could think like humans. In the 1950s, computers were large and limited, but they sparked a powerful vision of intelligent machines that could one day learn and reason. A major turning point came when computers demonstrated they could outperform humans in strategic games like chess. This moment showed the world that machines were capable of analyzing situations, predicting outcomes, and making logical decisions. Over time, AI systems began mastering even more complex challenges, learning through experience rather than fixed instructions. With each breakthrough, AI moved closer to mimicking certain aspects of human intelligence. Early programmers wrote every rule by hand, but modern AI systems learn patterns directly from enormous amounts of data. Deep learning allowed machines to recognize images, understand speech, and translate languages with impressive accuracy. Instead of being told exactly what to do, AI systems now learn by observing millions of real-world examples. Over time, machines evolved from simple tools into advanced systems capable of adapting and improving on their own. This rapid evolution has transformed artificial intelligence into one of the most powerful technologies ever created. Today, AI intelligence can be compared alongside the human brain, with each excelling in different types of tasks. Inside modern homes, AI-powered assistants help manage lighting, temperature, security, and daily routines. These systems listen, respond, and learn from user behavior, becoming more personalized with every interaction. In today's world, AI is quietly working inside many of the digital services people use every single day. Social media platforms rely on AI systems to understand user behavior and recommend content that keeps people engaged. Streaming services use AI to study viewing habits and suggest movies and shows based on personal preferences. In healthcare, AI-powered systems assist doctors by analyzing medical scans and identifying diseases with increasing accuracy. In transportation, artificial intelligence plays a key role in developing self-driving vehicles that can sense their surroundings. Using cameras, sensors, and radar, these vehicles continuously analyze road conditions and nearby traffic. AI systems are also transforming factories where robots work with precision and consistency around the clock. This automation increases production speed while reducing human error and workplace accidents. In agriculture, artificial intelligence helps farmers monitor crop health and predict harvest outcomes. Drones and smart sensors collect data from fields, allowing farmers to use water and resources more efficiently. In education, AI-powered tools adapt lessons to match each student's learning pace and abilities. These systems provide personalized feedback, helping students understand difficult concepts more clearly. Financial institutions use AI to detect detect fraud and monitor unusual activity in real time. By analyzing patterns, AI systems can identify threats faster than traditional security methods. Artificial intelligence also plays a growing role in cybersecurity, protecting digital systems from attacks. These systems continuously learn from new threats and adapt their defenses automatically. Behind all these applications, massive data centers process information at incredible speeds. As AI becomes more advanced, its presence in daily life continues to expand quietly but powerfully. Looking ahead, the future of artificial intelligence promises changes that could reshape nearly every part of human life. In the coming years, AI systems are expected to become more intelligent, flexible, and deeply integrated into society. Personal AI assistants may evolve to understand human emotions, habits, and daily needs more naturally. These assistants could help manage schedules, health, and personal decisions with greater accuracy. Autonomous vehicles may become common on roads, reducing accidents and improving traffic efficiency. Cities could rely on AI to control traffic lights, public transportation, and energy use in real time. In healthcare, AI-powered systems may deliver highly personalized treatments based on genetic and lifestyle data. AI-powered robots could assist surgeons with extreme precision during complex medical procedures. In education, virtual AI tutors may provide one-on-one guidance to students anywhere in the world. These systems could help close education gaps by making high-quality learning widely accessible. In the workplace, AI may automate repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. Collaboration between humans and intelligent machines could increase productivity across industries. AI may play a critical role in addressing climate change and environmental challenges. Smart systems could optimize renewable energy use and reduce waste on a global scale. In agriculture, AI-driven machines may handle planting, monitoring, and harvesting with minimal human input. This could increase food production while using fewer natural resources. Space exploration may rely heavily on artificial intelligence to navigate distant planets and harsh environments. AI-powered robots could explore places where humans cannot safely travel. As these technologies advance, the line between human intelligence and machine intelligence may continue to blur. The future of artificial intelligence will largely depend on how responsibly it is developed and used. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, it also raises serious ethical and social questions. One major concern is how AI systems make decisions that humans may not fully understand. In some cases, these systems operate like black boxes, producing results without clear explanations. There are also growing concerns about privacy, as AI technologies collect and analyze personal data. Advanced surveillance systems can track behavior on a massive scale, raising questions about freedom and control. Another challenge is the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs and employment. Automation may replace certain roles, forcing workers to adapt to new skills and industries. Without careful planning, this shift could increase economic inequality around the world. Artificial intelligence can also be misused through deepfakes and digital manipulation. These tools can spread misinformation and make it difficult to trust what people see online. In the wrong hands, artificial intelligence-powered systems could be used for cyber attacks or autonomous weapons. At the same time, artificial intelligence offers incredible opportunities for humanity. When guided properly, AI can help solve complex global challenges. It can support scientific discovery, medical breakthroughs, and sustainable development. The future of artificial intelligence is not just about technology, but about human values. The choices made today will shape how this powerful tool affects future generations. In the end, artificial intelligence will reflect the intentions of those who create it and control it.